Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to software update on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Samsung Galaxy phone and open the Settings application. The Settings app is the central hub for all your phone's configurations, including connectivity, display, security, and software management. Once you're in the app, you'll see a long list of options. Step 2. Now scroll all the way down until you find Software Update or About Phone depending on your device model. Tap on it to open the Software Update menu. This is where your phone checks for the latest system updates released by Samsung. Step 3. In the Software Update menu, you'll see an option labeled Download and Install. Tap on this and your phone will check for any available updates. If an update is available, it will start downloading. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi and has sufficient battery life before starting the update. This process can take a few minutes depending on the update size. Step 4. Once the download is complete, you'll see an option to install now. Tap it to start the installation process. Your phone may restart several times during the update, which is completely normal. If no updates are available, it means your phone is already running the latest software. You can also enable auto download over Wi-Fi in the same menu. This ensures that your phone automatically downloads future updates when connected to Wi-Fi, saving time and keeping your device up to date. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.